Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Fight in a School. Start by searching for Fight in a School within the Roblox game library. Once you've launched the game, your primary goal is to outlast other players and become the last one standing. Take a moment to learn the fundamental controls for moving your character, jumping, and initiating attacks. This initial understanding is crucial for your success in the school environment. To dominate in Fight in a School, you'll need to master combat. The game offers a wide array of weapons, from baseball bats to slingshots. Experiment with different attack patterns and defensive blocks. Pay close attention to how your opponents move. Predicting their actions will allow you to land precise counterattacks and gain a significant advantage in every skirmish. Understanding the school map is just as important as combat skills. Take time to explore every classroom, hallway, and outdoor area. These environments offer excellent opportunities for cover, ambushes, and quick escapes. Knowing where players typically spawn and which routes they frequent will give you a tactical edge, allowing you to control the flow of the game. For advanced play, consider forming temporary alliances with other players, though always be ready for betrayal. Keep an eye out for health packs and power-ups, as these can turn the tide of a fight. As the number of players dwindles, adjust your strategy from aggressive hunting to careful evasion, aiming to be the final survivor and claim victory in the school.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.